Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. Now, friends, in this video lecture, we will discuss about Pythagoras theorem and some of the problems related to Pythagoras theorem. So, friends, this is chapter 15, properties of triangle. Afterwards, we will solve a couple of questions of exercise 15D. This is class 7. So now let's get started. So what about the Pythagoras? Pythagoras is the scientist who gave the very important theorem which is very useful in day-to-day life. So that is called the Pythagoras theorem. So this theorem says in any right angle triangle, okay, suppose this is A, B and C is a right angle triangle. In any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So here first in this triangle, at B is the 90 degree, AC is the hypotenuse. Now this Pythagoras theorem says AC square, the square of hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse, is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. That means AB square plus BC square. So that is called the Pythagoras theorem. Okay friends, and the reverse of Pythagoras theorem is also true. That means friends, the reciprocal of Pythagoras theorem, that is called the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now second means converse of Pythagoras theorem. So what do you mean by, friends, converse of Pythagoras theorem? That means if a statement is given like the square of one side, the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, like this, then a triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Suppose this is the triangle, this is suppose A, B and C. Now friends, this statement, this thing is given, that means the square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then a triangle is called the right angle triangle. Okay, now this one is in any triangle, in any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Now converse of Pythagoras theorem says if the square of any sides of a triangle is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, then the triangle is known as the right angle triangle. Okay, that means this is given, that means a triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, now friends, afterwards we will start to solve a couple of questions of exercise 15D. So get ready to solve. Now see friends, first question says find the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle, the other two sides of which measure 9 cm and 12 cm. First friend, to draw the right angle triangle, so this is right angle triangle. Now this is suppose A, B and C. We have to find this hypotenuse AC. The other two sides given, friends, 9 cm or this side or this side. This is suppose 12 cm and this is 9 cm, or we can take, friends, this is 12 or this 9. Okay, now find the value of this, friends. So friends, this is right angle triangle. Okay, now in right angle triangle, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, means right angle triangle. Then by, friends, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, says the square of hypotenuse, means AC is the hypotenuse, friends, is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, means AB square plus BC square. So AB square is, friends, what? This is 9 square, and BC, the value of BC, this is 12 square. Okay, 9 square, this is 81, 12 square 144. 4. Okay, now add friends. This is 4, this is 5, and this is 2, and 1 is balance. So this is once again 2. Once again friends, 4 plus 1, this is 5. 8 plus 4, 12, 1 is balance, 1 and 1 2. So AC square is equal to, now taking a square root on both sides friends, 200, and यहाँ पे अगर if you remove this square, then in right hand side we will take the square root. So now the square root of 225 friends, AC is equal to 15 centimeter. I hope friends you will be understand. Yes, this AC is equal to 15 centimeter. This is answer. Now see friends, the length of one side of a right triangle is 4.5 centimeter and the length of its hypotenuse is 7.5 centimeter. Find the length of its third side. Now question number 2 is the similar as question number 3 friends. Now first draw the figure. You can draw a figure or not, it is up to you. If you draw the figure, it's very good. This is A, B and C. Now the hypotenuse is given friend. This is 7.5 centimeter is hypotenuse and 4.5 is any one side. You can take this BC or AB, it is up to you. Now we take 4.5 centimeter. There is no need to take the fixed side like AB or BC. Either we can take AB or BC. Okay, because the question one side of a right triangle is given but the other hypotenuse, find the other side that BC is we have to find. Now friends, same in triangle, in right triangle, in triangle ABC or right triangle, angle B is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square AC square is equal to sum of the square of the two sides AB square plus BC square. मुझे ये find करना है BC. Now friends, BC becomes, if we bring BC, look at friends very clearly, AC square as it is, if we bring AB to left hand side becomes minus AB square, and this is BC. This BC we have to find. We can write BC here and this AC as it is friends square and AB as it is. Actually we copied from here to here. Okay, AC, the value of AC is given, this is 7.5 square minus AB, the value of AB is 4.5 raised to the square. Now friends, now we'll make the easier calculation. This is A plus B into A minus B. This is A square minus B square. A plus B friends, formula होता है. Actually we can apply this formula or either we can find out the square of this. Now square of 7.5, or either we can apply, this is A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B, or this is A minus B. Look at friends, reason is here, A square minus B square is the formula of this is A plus B into A minus B. Have a look. So this friends, this is A, 7.5 is as A and the 4.5 is as B. So here the A square and the B square. The formula is A plus B, then second time A minus B. A plus B, and multiply by bracket A minus B. This is A minus B. Okay. Now friends, add their values, add the, this is 5, this is 0. So 1 is balanced. 7 plus 4, this is 11 and 1 is 12, only 12. Now friends, multiply by, this is 0 0, 7 minus 4, this is friends 3. So we can write 36. So here friends, BC square becomes what? 36. Now we can find out the value here. BC is equal to friends under root 36 because we remove this square, that means in right hand side we take the square root. So BC becomes, this is 6. So BC is 6 friends. This is your answer. I hope friends you will be understand. Now see the next question. Now see friends, question number 5 says the sides of a triangle measure 15 centimeter, 36 centimeter and 39 centimeter, so that it is a right angled triangle. Now friends, a triangle has 3 sides. Okay, but the three sides given, and we have to check, yes, we have to show that these given sides are in right angle triangle. So how we can check, friend? Very simple, friends. Now first, the given sides, write down the given sides. What, friend? This is 15 centimeter, 36 centimeter and 39 centimeter. Okay, now friends, suppose if we draw the figure, friends, rough figure, suppose we are not deciding clearly that this is exact, these are the exactly the right the sides of a right angle triangle, we do not decide. Let us now, friends, remember the hypotenuse is the greatest side in length. Okay, then the other two sides may be greater or less than to each other. This is, suppose this is 39, suppose, okay friends, and this is suppose ye 15, either this is 36, suppose. Now if, friends, if 39 is exact hypotenuse, and then we can easy verify, that means we can easily fulfill the Pythagoras theorem. As, friends, now first check the greatest, suppose 39, find the value of the square of the 39. Okay, here, friends, 39 square. Now what is the value of this? Now multiply this 39, multiply by 39, multiply, friends. Now, friends, now the square of the bigger side, this is 15 and 21. Then find the square of this some sides. This is 36 square plus 15 square. Now this is 36 square is find out, multiply, this is 36, multiply by 36, 6 3 18. This is 12, 96, friends, plus 15 multiplied by 50, this is 225. Now, friends, add their values. This is 6 plus 5 11, 1 is balance, 9 plus 2 11, plus 1 12, 1 is balance. So 1 is balance, friends, 2 and 2 4, this is 1 5, and this is 1 is. Now look at the, friends, yes, the value of the square, the sum of the value, the sum of the square of these two sides is equal to 1520 is the same as the square of the bigger side. We can say, friends, have a look, this is the square of the hypotenuse. That means set in the first time that we don't know in the first time that is this 39 is the hypotenuse or not, but we suppose the first time 39 is the height, because, friends, the value of hypotenuse is the greater than these two sides. This is why we consider 39 as the hypotenuse. Now, and here proved, friends, we proved that the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Have a look. We can say, friends, 39 square is equal to, this is this one square plus this one square. And have a look, friends, look at the square of one side is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, and we can say these sides, these three given sides are right angle triangle side. Okay, this is proved, this is right angle triangle. I hope, friends, you will be clear. Now see, friends, question number 8 says, in a triangle ABC, angle B 35 degree, angle C 55 degree, write which of the following is true. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC, AB square is equal to this and this. Look at the, friends, if you look at the closely, friends, these three statements, mathematical statement, then this is the AC. Have a look, this is AC is the side of a triangle, so BC is the side of a triangle, and AB is the side of triangle. That means the side of the square of the side of one, the square of the one side is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So this is only for Pythagoras theorem, friends. But even Are they correct or not? Decide. So let me check friends. First check, because the Pythagoras theorem applies. Pythagoras theorem applies in any right angle triangle. So let me first check, is this triangle right angled triangle or not? So this is two angles are given, but this one is not given. So how much this angle friends? What is the angle of this A? Now in a triangle friends, in a triangle A B C, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, because angle sum property. Now friends, this is angle A. A is what friends? The angle B is, this is 35 degree, angle C is 55 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So first we have to find the angle A, what the angle is. Now friends, add 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 is balanced, 3 plus 5 8, this is 9. Okay, 180 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 90, this becomes friends 90 degree. So we can say angle A is 90 degree, that means here the 90 degree. Now then friends, yes, that means that this given triangle is nothing but this is right angle triangle. Okay, so this was the first step. This is right angle triangle. Now remember friends, the opposite sides of 90 degree is hypotenuse, or either we can say the angles do not participate, the sides which do not participate to make an angle 90 degree, that is called the hypotenuse. This side BC is not participating, is not to make the 90 degree angles, means 90 degree angles in between the side AB and the side AC. So the other sides, that means BC, is said to be hypotenuse, or either we can say the opposite side of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is BC friends. Now by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to friends sum of the square of other two sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, AB square plus AC square. And look, match friends, BC square is equal to, here the BC is the correct option. So the option number 3 is the correct option. I hope friends you will be understand. Now friends, you can solve the other questions like question number 9 and 10 as well. This is your homework, because if you solve all the sums, then it's not good for you friends. So please try to solve the sum. If you have any doubt, any confusion after solving the sum, please contact me, WhatsApp me, or comment in the comment box below. I will make the dot questions, I will make the video of dot questions. Okay, so have a nice day. Write down your homework friends, question number 1 to 10. Okay.